Hello! Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit more chill, a little bit more easy. I'm doing this for my friend really, because she's going back to work soon and she just wanted to she wanted me maybe to a little quick everyday thing for work. But this is, I'm basically just been showing my everyday makeup, basically. What I would normally do if I don't want to put too much on or anything like that. I just want to look kind of natural-ish and stuff. What a great start to the video. So I'm just going to do my everyday makeup. And if you want to copy me, great. Well, I did actually film my everyday makeup. I'm going to say everyday makeup because it kind of changes sometimes. But this is something that I've consistently been doing. Some products I might switch out some days. Depends on how I'm feeling. Also, is anybody's hair looking like mine? Because same. Let's get into the video. But before that, if you like me already, please, well, not like, I mean, depends if you like, but I actually don't know what I'm about to say. Subscribe. Subscribe if you like me already. Turn on the bell notification. Thanks, helps me a lot. Let's get into the video. I mean, if you want to continue watching, continue. Let's go. So the first thing I'm using is my L'Oreal True Match foundation. Actually, first of all, I'm going to pin my hair back because I'm not doing this with hair in my face. You alright? Yeah, okay. Oh. My door's open. I don't like that. Act like a light. Like a light. Scribbity pipe. Okay. And use my booty blender. I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm just going to squirt one dollop, just plop it on my forehead, cheeks, on my sister's home, and on my chin. And I'll go mainly underneath the eyes. It's a lot more than I wanted to use, but oh well. I'm gonna go over my eyebrows a bit. I feel like when I do my eyebrows, it just sticks a lot better. I don't know why, but it just does. Oh, yeah. I moisturise my lips. I look like a ghost. But I use this lip plumper. It's off of Amazon. I'll leave it in the description below. And it comes with two. So it comes with a lip plumper and then just the normal lip oil. It stings like a mother. I explained this in my last video. But also make sure your lips really red. Because, you know, they're being stung, which feels like by 100 bees. So I use that whilst I do my face. I like to spend a lot of time on the skin. So I feel like not many people do. They just assume that you just, you know, oh, I'm just gonna blend in my foundation for 5 seconds and then it's done. No. Whoever has dogs, you're gonna relate to me with every crevice of your being has dog hair everywhere. Okay, done with that. Then I'm gonna get my Speedy Blush by Collection. It's just a stick, and I just go pretty much along my cheekbone area, as you can see, and then on the tip of my nose. Then I get this more condensed small brush, and I just start blending it up. I don't really want it to come too far. Just blend it until it's blended. I like the blush look. I used to hate it because I didn't know what to do with it. And then just go along the nose. I like to go back in my beauty blender just to merge it all together. I've seen people use blush to contour, which I just find a bit weird, but do you? Then I'm gonna go in with no, I'm not. I'm going in with this bronzer called the Grand Turn by Makeup Revolution. It's in a palette. Is it called Beauty Legacy? But it's by Maxine Sakar. We all know that I can't say this, but it's this. And this is what the palette looks like. I'm using this one. I'm going to use a angled brush with, you guessed it, dog hair. I'm just going to go slightly underneath where we put the blush. And then I'm going to go on my forehead, just where my, and along my temples. Not going like in the centre or anything. It looks like I'm really rough with my face, but I just do this all the time, so I'm just like, make sure everything is blended, please. And then I just take the tip of it and run it in, and then I go just slightly underneath my chin, and then on the bridge of the nose. I don't really know. This is my nose contour. Ooh, I really want to try. This is flipping viral foundation by, it's not Kat Von D anymore. It's like Kat Von. It's like VD or whatever it's called. I don't know, because she left it, didn't she? I don't, oh, why is there got a black sponge? That could have been a disaster. I want to try it because everyone on TikTok is like, disaster happened. No! Crisis averted. That was not okay. Get off. Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh, what? There's black everywhere. What's happening? I'm gonna use a different brush because that's concerning. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush. Just to blend. You can still see a patch there. It's fine, ignore it. I'm also gonna go along my jawline. Ooh. Now I'm gonna set underneath my eyes. Just make sure there's no lines. I'm gonna basically set everywhere. So I'm gonna set, not everywhere. Oh yeah, let me show you what I'm using. I'm using my Airspun translucent face powder, which is also on Amazon, which I'll also link below. And I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes, ever so gently, and just on my forehead a bit, and then on my smile lines, and then on my chin. Sexy. And then I'm just gonna wipe it away with this fluffy brush. Now that's all wiped away. I'm gonna contour like a tiny bit. I'm sorry, I'm doing this all out of whack. Alright, I'm gonna use this smaller angled brush. I have barely any left. Literally, that's the only bit that I have. Trying to get rid of it. And I'm just gonna, that was a bit much. I'm just gonna go really tight. So like, you're just like sitting just on top of my cheekbone. No, just that like the bottom of my cheekbone, the top. Flipping heck. For me, like the biggest change in like my appearance is probably like my eyes and my eyebrows, and then I look like a human. So right now I look like a thumb. Then just a little bit on my forehead, more near the hairline. I'll do my eyebrows in a sec, but I'm gonna go in with this Nip and Fab Nip and Fab liquid highlighter. What shade is it in? Rose gold. I'm gonna go another tiny bit. This stuff goes freaking everywhere. I'm gonna put it on my finger. This might be easier. I'm just gonna and just go along. Whoop. Just go along my cheekbones and then up towards my temples. Like a moon shape. Is that a crescent moon? Crescent moon? I don't know. Also, do you like my nails? I did them myself. They look a bit... Do they look nice? I think they look nice. I think I did a good job. I did it with that polygel ting. Then I'm just gonna put a little bit on the boop of my nose and then on the bridge. I just like to blend it in with my fingers. I feel like it just works better with fingers. I've tried it with beauty blenders, I've tried it with brushes, but I just feel like your fingers just kind of melt it into your skin a bit better. And then I'm going to put a little bit on the chin. Shining like a diamond. And then, hang on. Right back. My sister was playing BTS and I was just like, Definitely gonna get copywritten if you can hear it in the video. Now we're on for the brows. I don't really know if should I show how I do my brows? I don't know if I should. I mean, it's kind of boring, but I'll probably speed it up. But I just push my brows up. My brows are completely different. This one's like really sharp and this one's kind of like a little bit more chill. And I've kind of given up shaping them and doing all sorts with them. I just push them up and that'd be that. But I use Makeup Revolution like micro pen, I think it's called, but I can't tell because the labels come off. Okay, sec. I pretty much just, I don't really know what I do. This is what I mean. Like, what do I do? I just fill them in and I create somewhat of a shape. I don't want it to be too arched. I used to do my eyebrows so arched. It was unfreaking real. Try to get them to match, but that never happens. I just tend to make fake brow hairs at the beginning of my brows because for some reason the brow hairs at the start of my brows are really blonde. Please explain that to me. Then I just go through them. Make sure it all kind of like blends together. And then, this is the weird part. I get a glue. And I put the glue on the back of my hand. Yeet. Which I'm running out of. Oh well. Oh yeah, another spoolie one. Spoolie brush, which is covered in glue. And I just dip it in. And I push my brows up. You were like, Maisie, why don't you just get, you know, normal brow gel? Well, you see, I have tried them. And they're rubbish. Basically. So if anyone can recommend me a good one that's not too expensive, that I may become poor after I buy it, then fab. Eyebrows done. That's literally it. Eyes. I don't do anything. If I'm just doing an everyday thing, I don't really do that much. If I do, like, I'll just put a bit of like a bronzy kind of shade and then a cream shade on the lid. Like, it's not that exciting. I just curl my lashes and then I put Superfan and mascara by Smashbox. And that's it. So I'll be back when I've done that. Okay, so mascara is on. See, I look like a normal human now. For lips, I either leave them like this or, which I will show you now, I'm just going to wipe this off. So it makes your lips a little bit more rosy because they've been attacked. I use two products. Yeah. Make your mind up, maybe. Use two products. Sometimes I like to line my lips, sometimes I don't. This time I'm not going to. I saw this in several videos. It looks like a Korean thing that I've seen. I've just seen Korean people do it. I'm sure loads of other people do it. They only put like a red like lip colour in the centre and it makes their lips more like my lips are not so I like this technique. I mean, it doesn't really do too much, but I like to put like a nudie kind of colour all over and then put the like the rosy kind of colour in the centre. So I will do that now. I am severely running out of this product, though I do need some more. But we move. And I just like to press it in with my fingers. Cute. Then I get, oh, this was the NYX, is it lingerie? Lingerie liquid lipstick in shade 03. Then I'm getting this Revlon liquid lipstick. What is the shade? I don't think it has a shade. No, it doesn't have a shade. It just looks like this. And I'm just going to get the tip of it and just go just a little bit underneath my lips. Say on the bottom. Like that. Like so. I look like I've just drank blood. Sick. And then I just pat it in. You guessed it, with my fingers. See what I mean? It looks cute. That is me done. Am I done? This is it. This is what I do. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy, please like, comment and subscribe and turn on that bell notification. Otherwise, if you don't, you'll miss an upload from me, and that is just devastation. Hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening or night, whatever you are doing. I hope you're enjoying it. Bye! Oh! I'm doing everything out of order. I'm terribly sorry. If you like me, obviously do all the stuff that I just said. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Twitter. They will be in the description below, but also here. Anyway, let me start again. I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening or night, whatever you're doing. I hope you are thoroughly enjoying it. Okay, bye!